Today, we bring you a story on pirates.
You are without doubt the worst pirate I've ever heard of.
But you have heard of me.
No, it's not about Captain Jack Sparrow. We're talking about real pirates and how their attacks have become the top headlines, as well as Hollywood blockbusters.
You said you just wanted money. You said this was just business. Is this business? Is this how you do business?
But unlike Captain Phillips, who had a real encounter with the pirates, our story is based on an encounter that never took place.
What the hell?
Yet it made it to the headlines all across India. On 6th of October 2017, Indian media claimed that an Indian naval ship, part of Combined Task Force, foiled a piracy attempt in the Gulf of Aden. The Indian media reported that the Indian Navy petrol vessel, INS Trishul, fought off pirates who had taken control of an Indian cargo ship, MV Jack Amar. So we have pirates, a ship taken over by pirates, a hostage situation, and of course, the heroes. A complete package for an epic story. According to the India press, the so-called rescue operation lasted for 5 hours, in which the Indian commandos overcame the pirates and seized AK-47 rifles. Now, doesn't that sound so exciting? Indian Navy killing the bad guys and saving the day.
Yeah, now we're talking! Yeah! Ow!
But wait, it's the Indian Navy we're talking about, not just any Navy. Knowing this, the authorities decided to investigate the so-called action reported by INS Trishul. The investigations revealed that 2 small boats with large white sails came approximately 2 kilometers close to MV Jagamar, an Indian cargo ship, and then turned away. The task force briefed their headquarters that the entire incident was nothing but a false alarm, and said that pirates don't use dhows, a type of small boat, because they're just too slow.
Can't spot it. Must be a tiny little thing hiding somewhere behind the pearl.
So the entire episode was fake. But the question here is, why would Indian Navy and the Indian media lie about a piracy incident? Well, the Indian Navy has been in the news for all the wrong reasons lately. In August 2013, a Russian-built submarine of the Indian Navy, INS Sindorakshak, sank after it exploded, killing 18 sailors on board.
Well, you can see that visual there, video actually of that explosion as it took place. You can see just how massive it was, lighting up the sky there in Kolaba.
And in the following year, 2 officers were killed in a fire on INS Sindoratna, an accident that led to the then Indian Navy's Chief of Staff, Admiral D.K. Joshi's resignation. According to an official report of the Indian Navy, 38 warships have been involved in mishaps during 2007 to 2016, and the Navy is yet to deal with safety issues.
In the Gulf of Aden, now both the ship and the 26 Indian crew members on board this ship are safe.
It's about time that the Indian media and Indian military realize that one simply does not become a global power through such fairy tales. Rather, it's the development in all fields and in all walks of life that makes a country great.